Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Germany, which ranked as the second most beautiful country in the world. Let us embark on a journey to explore the stunning and breathtaking sights this magnificent country has to offer.
Germany, where history shapes the present and innovation builds the future. Germany's future promises to preserve its stunning landscapes and landmarks, from the magical Black Forest to Neuschwanstein Castle, ensuring these treasures inspire generations